Okay, I'm playing Subway Surfers right now, guys. I'm gonna make this without crashing into anything. With all this money, I can buy a lot of hoverboards. But I'm saving up for the teleporting one. So, yeah, I'm just gonna have two hoverboards. Uh, That's if I waste it. Get away from me. I'm actually doing good. Zero hoverboards. I think I'm gonna survive this or not. I was so close to beating my sister, my friend's high score now, since my friend beat my sister's high score. I forget that telephone hoverboard. Oh, look, a key. Come on, just let me beat my sister, my friend's high score. Ah! Why did I do that? Why? I was so close to beating it. I mean, look at that high score my friend got. And look at the high score I got. I mean, seriously. Why you... Oh my gosh. I have to log into YouTube. I mean, not YouTube. Facebook to complete with friends. Oh, one day left. Lefty from Five Nights at Freddy's. 6. Also, a shout out to Red Hatter, Multiplier, Jacksepticeye, Omar Somali, Gaming Kev, Gaming Kid, and all the other YouTubers out there. You guys rock. Keep on playing. Also, that girl that has the voice of almost all the ponies. I forgot. I don't know how to pronounce her name, but still, she's a good pony voice. The one that makes the voice of like Fluttershy. Yeah, she's actually pretty cool. So make sure you guys subscribe to her. If you already are, good. And make sure you guys subscribe to the people that we already know, the legends of True. And also make sure you subscribe to um my friend Gaming Kid.